Hi everyone, I'm Poonam. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sweet vermicelli, also known as Meethi Seviyan or Semia, Seyu, Sevayon ka zarda. In different regions of India, it has different names. And the ingredients vary here and there. And let me tell you, this is one of the quickest and one of the easiest sweet dishes that one could make from the Indian cuisine. And I'm making the job all the more easier by doing it in the microwave. First of all, see the list of ingredients, what all we will need to make sweet vermicelli. In a flat-bottomed microwave-safe dish like this, we will put the desi ghee or clarified butter and melt it for 30 seconds. The butter has melted. Now I'll transfer all the vermicelli in this dish and give it a good mix. We'll try to get the butter or the desi ghee, whatever you are using, over all the strands of vermicelli. Yeah, this looks nice. Now I will roast this in the microwave for a total of 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will stop the microwave and then give it a good mix again for even roasting. And after that, I will be roasting in increments of 1 minute. So a total of 4 minutes, 2 plus 1 plus 1. So now this goes in the microwave. This is what it is looking like after 4 minutes of roasting. Maybe in your microwave it might take 3.5 minutes. So when you're doing it for the first time, you should be a little careful as to for how long you should roast the vermicelli. Now this time to put the water. Steaming hot. Steaming hot. And time to add the sugar. You know, just one interesting fact. Recently I came to know that in Italian, vermicelli means little worms. Interesting, isn't it? Little worms made sweet, and vegetarian worms. And this dish is good for vegetarians and vegans as well. It again goes back into the microwave for 3 minutes at 100% power. Now, first we want to boil this water. The water has boiled, the sugar has dissolved, and now we want that each and every strand of vermicelli should become juicy and should be flavorful, should be sweet. That is what we are looking for. So now I will put this back in the microwave for another 5 minutes, but now at 70% power. And from there we will see how much more time do we need for the vermicelli to cook. So now 5 minutes, 70% power. Here it goes. The vermicelli is out of the microwave. After 5 minutes, I had put it back for another 3 minutes at 70% power. And this is it after a total of 8 minutes at 70% power. Now it still has some juices, still has some water. Now at this moment, I will be adding the raisins. Give it a good mix and I would cover it for almost 5 to 10 minutes. With all the heat, these raisins will swell up, all the water will be absorbed by the vermicelli and it will be ready to eat. And in the meantime, I will be roasting the almonds. I like the nuts roasted in this. It's 10 minutes and the vermicelli is now ready. You can see each and every strand is separated from the other. I'll just put all the almonds, the roasted almonds. I had roasted this amount of almonds for 40 seconds in the microwave. The sweet vermicelli is now ready to be enjoyed. Hope you liked my recipe. We don't need an occasion to eat desserts, so let this be your dessert for the after supper tonight. Now, as I was talking about the various varieties of vermicelli that are made in India, how the ingredients vary. If we add milk instead of water, same quantity of milk, it becomes Sevayon ka zarda. Or some people make it with water but later on add mawa. So that is called Sevayon ka zarda. It could have coconut powder or shredded coconut on as a topping. Some people would add cardamom powder to this. It gives a real good flavor. Some people add saffron, some people add color. So in different regions there are little variations, but this is the most basic recipe that I have made today. If you want to know more such recipes, the quick ones, the easy ones, the new and authentic ones, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Poonam's Kitchen. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with a new recipe. Bye.